3 Subject Mathematics Lesson 5 Division. Children, today we will start with Lesson 5, that is your division. We will start with exercise 5A. The question, it is given divide by repeated subtraction. Okay, now by repeated subtraction you have to solve this divide question. So what we have to do, we have to subtract it. So the first number 8 is given, you have to subtract 2 from 8. So 8 minus 2, it is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Till you come to 0, you have to continue subtracting 2 from 8. Now you have to count how many times you have subtracted. So this is 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. That means 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. The number of times you are subtracting 2 from the number, that is the answer for the division question. Okay, now let us go for the second one. 25 divided by 5. So we have to subtract 5. So 25 minus 5, it is your 20. 20 minus 5, it will come as your 15. 15 minus 5, it will come as your 10. 10 minus 5, it will come as your 5. 5 minus 5, it is equal to 0. Till 0 you have to do the subtraction. So this is 1 time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. That means 25 divided by 5, the answer is equal to 5. Number of times you have subtracted 5 from the number. Now come to, next we will do exercise 5B. Here division as equal sharing, we have to write the division fact. So here the questions are given as a form of word problems. So this we will do with in the book itself. So the first question is given, there are 24 marbles, share them equally among 4 children. So how many marbles are there? So the first statement, it is given total number of marbles. So it is given 24. So we will write here 24. Now number of children, how many children are given there? 4. So we will write here 4. Now you have to write the division fact in order to find out the answer. Means each child will get how many marbles. So what you have to write? You have to write number of marbles divided by number of children. So 24 divided by 4, how much it will come? 4 6 are 24. So the answer will be 6. So number of marbles with each child, it will be 6. Now turn to the next page. I am doing question number 1 and question number 3 for you. 2 number you will do by yourself in the book. It is given, put 20 flowers equally into 4 vases. So total number of flowers, it is given 20. Number of vases, it is given 4. Now you have to find out you have to write the division fact in order to find out in each vase how many flowers are there. So what we will write? Number of flower, that is total number of flower, that is 20, divided by number of vases, that is 4. So 4 5s are 20. So the answer will come as your 5. So number of flowers in each vase, it will be 5. Okay. Now next we will see division as equal grouping. Now same thing, this is also done. It can come as your word problem also. So you have to see the statements also. Here 27 flowers are given. Total number of flowers are 27. And in one vase there are 9 flowers. So the first statement is given total number of flowers. So what is the total number? 27. So we will write here 27. Now number of flowers in each vase, it is given 9. So in each vase means in one vase there are 9 flowers. Now you have to find number of vases required. So what you have to do? You have to divide the total number by the number of flower in each vase. So you have to write, first you have to write the division fact. You have to write here 27 divided by 9. So 9 3s are 27. So the answer will come as 3. So number of vases required is your 3. Now come to question number, last question, number 4. 30 keys, 6 keys in one ring. So what is the total number of keys given? 30. So we will write here 30. Then number of keys in each ring, it is given 6. Now number of rings required. So how to find out? First we have to write the division fact. So we will write here 30 divided by 6. So 6, how much is 30? 6 5s are 30. So the number of rings required will be 5. Next page, question number B. Fill in the blanks by writing the division fact for the following. Here you have to write the division fact. Divide 15 stars in 3 equal groups. So the total is given 15 stars and it should be divided into 3 equal groups. So we will divide 15 divided by 3. So what will be the answer? It will be 3 5s are 15. So the answer will come as your 5. Now next we will do 4 number. Divide 24 marbles in 6 equal groups. So total is given 24. You have to divide it among 6 groups. So you have to divide it by 6. So 24 divided by 6. How much it will come? 6 4s are 24. So the answer will be 4. Next we will see division as repeated subtraction. Okay. So in exercise 5D, the first question is given. Write the division facts. As I have already taught you how to write, do the sums in repeated subtraction. Here it is already, the repeated subtraction is already done for you. You have to just find out the division fact. So what we have to do? We have to see how many times 4 is subtracted from 12. So we will count it as first time, this is second time, and this is third time. So according to the question, the division fact will be 12 and it is subtracted by 4. So here the divisor will be 4 and the answer will come as your 3. That means 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we will do the fourth number. Here it is given 48 and it is subtracted by 8. So here the division fact will be 48 divided by 8. Now how many times it has been divided? So you count it. This is the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. So we will write here 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. Now children, question number B, you have to write up to this much. You will write everything in the book. Now question exercise 5D, question number B, you have to do in the copy. So see, divide by repeated subtraction. We will do the first one. 10 divided by 2. So you have to subtract 2 from 10. So 10 minus 2, it will come as your 8. 8 minus 2, it will be 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So till you get 0, you have to subtract 2 from the number. So it is the first time, second time, third time, fourth time and fifth time. That means 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now come to the next number, 16 divided by 8. So you subtract 8 from 16. So 16 minus 8, it will come as your 8. 8 minus 8, it will come as your 0. So here only 2 times you have to subtract 8 from 16 in order to get the answer. So 16 divided by 8, the answer will come as your